Hey guys, welcome back. Today, as you guys seen my title, I'm going to be unboxing AMREZY's palette. It's going to be my first impressions and as well as a makeup look. Thanks to hubby, as always. He's seen I favorited AMREZY's new palette on Twitter and he had to go get it. As always, I checked the bank account for other reasons, and then I seen he had purchased something from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I just knew. I was like, oh, este señor. But he believes in me so much that he's willing to just, buy me all these things so I can go ahead and do reviews for you guys. I'm so grateful, so grateful. So I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing. I also did wear this shirt because it gave me like AMREZY vibes. I would be wearing my pink hair right now, but since I'm in North Dakota and I didn't bring it with me, I'll just have to do another makeup look wearing the pink wig. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing. Let me go ahead and grab a pillow so I can sit higher, guys. Hold on. Take a sip. Okay guys, I'm sitting high now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing, guys. Y como siempre, I always wait until I'm gonna do the review to unbox it. I've been like so desperate to open this, guys. I've had it here for like a week. I have 2 more days here in North Dakota and I'll be heading back and forth, guys. So the inside, it has the black paper, the invoice, some black bubble wrap. Oh my god, guys. This is beautiful. This would be something like if I had my cosmetic line, my box would probably look like this. So shout out to AMREZY. You did a great job with packaging. It looks beautiful. Barbie vibes for sure. So oh wow, the palette and the freaking mirror. So pretty. Check it out. Oh my goodness, my first mirror like this, guys. This is the first mirror I have, or handheld mirror, whatever you want to call it. But great. I'm gonna keep this box for sure. I mean, who would throw it away? It's so pretty. So glittery. Are y'all ready though? Oh yeah, check out the mirror. So pretty. I love it. If I ever make a mirror, it's gonna look similar to that. So y'all ready? This is what the back looks like. Que importa, right? Y'all wanna see the inside. Wow, just like the box, just like the box. Wow, that is so gorgeous. Oh my god, I need a sip. No, it came a little broken, but not really. It's all right, it still works, right? Right there. Wow, that is so pretty, guys. So many glitters. Oh, I'm sad this little thing is kind of chipped, but it's okay. It's just a little bit. Y'all want to see it again? Okay. This is beautiful, guys. Wow. Y'all want to see the glitters? Wow, AMREZY. Wow. Look at that. Guys, that is gorgeous. Look, it's so pigmented. Wow, 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 wow. I don't even know what the heck I'm gonna do as a makeup look, guys. Wow, they're all so pretty. This is like so me. For those of you that know me, y'all know these are my type of colors for sure. Look, guys, and I also have my Modern Renaissance here with me. It's actually one of my favorite palettes. that I used to go to all the time. Speed up. Pero it's my favorite. I forgot to show you guys the brush. And I already have one just like this. And let me tell you guys, it's so good. It's one of my favorite blending brushes. It has a fluffy brush on one side and then a kind of flat but fluffy brush. Okay guys, I think I know what I'm gonna do now. That one.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay guys, I'm gonna go with purple vibes today just because I want to save the pink for another video so I can do like a Valentine makeup look with my pink hair. I just gave it away, but whatever. So I'm gonna start with using OG, using a fluffy brush and put it on my crease. I said on my crease, but it's on my whole lid. I should have used another brush. It's okay. Now my other eye. Why am I using this? I have a mirror. I feel cool. Thank you, babe. Gracias. I'm gonna use this one now. The one that it came with. And I'm using the same color, just going in darker. Blend. Okay guys, using the fluffiest brush I have, which I should have used a skinnier brush first, but whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and use my fluffiest brush and go into Semsa right here and just put it all over my eyelid. Okay guys, now I'm going to blend just in between the two colors on my crease. I keep using the palette. Guys, I need to whiten my teeth. They used to be so white, and now guys, I haven't done my makeup like this, like dramatic wise, in a while. After I had the baby, I stopped getting ready, so I kind of lost practice on makeup. So it's like I'm getting the hang of it again, but it's gonna take some practice for me to catch up with the whole new trends. I'm gonna go ahead and use Semsa again and pack it onto my eye some more. And I'm gonna blend. Looks like I have a purple eye. I do have a purple eye. I have purple eyes. Oops, I probably went too high, guys. Me emocioné. Okay, guys. After this comes the good stuff. I'm gonna use Liddy right here. It has purple shimmer in it and glitter. Purple glitter and gold. Which I'm wearing silver. I should have done something more silverish, huh? Whatever, huh? Whatever. So I'm gonna go in with this one. It's gold and purple Liddy. And just pack it onto my eye. Guys, like, I guess because I haven't bought like new palettes in a while. It's been like 2 years since I bought myself like palettes. And guys, the formula has gotten so good on these palettes. Like, I'm shook. Like the other ones you had to keep scraping it off or something, but nowadays, the glitters and the eyeshadows are so pigmented. I'm just like, oh my goodness. I should have put some glitter glue before I put this glitter on. Se me olvidó. I can try it on my other eye to see if it makes a difference. Let me see. Okay guys, I have this one by NYX. It's a glitter primer. I'm gonna use it on my other eye and see what it does. Guys, I look so ugly with no foundation. Chinga. But I must admit, I wear concealer because my pimples are horrible. Okay, now I'm going to use a flat brush and apply it to see if it makes a difference. Oh yes, it makes a difference, alright. Heck yes, it makes a difference. I don't know why I always want to put on glitter with my finger, and then I always end up using my flat brush, and I'm just like, yes, why didn't I just do this in the first place? I think this would have looked so pretty if I would have done a cut crease, but yeah, okay, right? Whoa, you see the difference? Wow. I must say though that you see how I've been using the glitter. I can see me finishing this glitter within like probably 4 more uses. Okay, what I'm gonna do next is probably apply a darker shadow on top, and I'll probably go in with the purple again. I'm gonna use my flat brush with the Anastasia flat brush. Fluffy brush. Guys, this one's more glittery. I can tell, right? Big time. I'm gonna use black también. See what that does. Or Yugo. I'll use Yugo. Just this one right there. I have a mirror, guys. I have a mirror. I forget. Okay, guys, I'm gonna blend it. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to use glue on my eye just so that way it can stand out just like the other eye, because girl, it's not looking even. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and contour, put on my foundation. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm finally back and I'm gonna go ahead and finish the eyeshadow under my eye. Yeah, I'm gonna start off by using OG. And I keep using this knowing I have my mirror. Okay guys, después I'm going to use Semsa and go midway my eye. Okay guys, last I'm going to use Yugo on the edge. Okay guys, next I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, I haven't even put anything under my eyelid, my eyebrow, my eyebrow, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and use Wasted, or should I use a glitter one? I think Wasted, because I already have glitter. So that one's Wasted, the small flat brush. Okay, now I'm gonna blend it. Okay guys, so since now I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara and lashes. and lipstick, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm finally back and I'm done, except I did forget one thing, and I forgot to put on some eyeshadow or just a brightener for the inner corner of my eye. So I am gonna go ahead and do that right now, and I think I'm gonna use this one that I got from BoxyCharm. Look at that, guys. I always get so dirty when I do my makeup. Do y'all? You'll see big time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some brightener in the inner corner of my eye. Or you know what? I wonder if I should use one of hers. Como que it's not working. Should I use the pink? I think I'm gonna use the pink one. This one right here, that glitter. It's called Barb. Ooh. Matches my lipstick. Wow, very pretty. And excuse my lashes, guys. I didn't have any more here. I only have the spider lashes here with me, which are these that you guys seen on my Jeffree Star review. And I was like, no, I'm not gonna wear those. I'm just gonna wear the ones I have, even though they're kind of beat up, but whatever. That's all I have here, and I'm fixing to leave in 2 days, so I didn't have time to order some other ones. Since it's glitter, there is a lot of like fallout, guys, but not too bad for it to be glitter like this. It's so pretty. Yes, I think I'm done finally. Okay guys, so overall I did really love the palette. I can really see myself using this palette quite often, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use it all up within a few months. I freaking loved it, guys. Loved it. Packaging is freaking amazing. Look at that. That is so pretty. And the freaking glitters are freaking awesome. And I like how she put like these colors that you can use it with any color in here. Like you can mix and match pretty good. You could do like a lot of looks with these colors, definitely. So I will do another video using this palette. I'm gonna try to do a Valentine's Day look using this palette. I'll be back in Fort Worth by then. Yeah guys, that ends my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it and like this look. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way through. You guys have no idea how much that means to me. Okay guys, now I'll let you guys go because my outro or my intros are always so long. So, peace.